So you go to menu and you need to go to graph, wherever that is on your calculator. Once you're in graph, you can enter the function 1.5 times cos bracket, and then we've got pi times x minus 3 in brackets, then we've got divide by 26, close that bracket, that's all inside the cos function, and then adding 6.5. Now shift view window. What you've got to realise is, in the context of the question, we're looking at weeks 1 to 52 in a year. So I'm going to go x minimum is -2, just so I make sure I can see the axes, and x maximum I'm going to go 53, just for the heck of it. So I've got 52 weeks. And then for my y minimum, I want to see my x-axis, so I'm going to go -1. Now, I know that the maximum value that cos function can take is 1. So I know the maximum of this graph must be 8. So I'm actually going to go 10. And I know that the minimum, oops, got out of there by accident, shift view window, go back down, because I want y minimum. Oh no, that's all right. Y minimum is -1, y max is 10. The minimum of this graph, we know that the minimum of cos function is going to be -1. So -1 times 1.5 is -1.5, plus 6.5 is 5. So I can see that this function I'm expecting to have a minimum of 5, a maximum of 8, and this is my sunshine hours. Now, I can do a y calculation, y-calc. So in week 16, I can see that there'll be 6.5 hours of sunshine. Okay, so that's number 1. Week 16, here we've got y is 6.5 hours of sunshine. Then we need to find the maximum of this. When is it? So to do that, G-solve max, and I've got when x is 3, y is 8. So in the 3rd week, I've got a maximum of 8 hours of sunshine. And I can go G-solve minimum. In the 29th week, I've got that minimum of 5 hours of sunshine. So I'm talking to the, this is sort of achieved level, that you know how to use your calculator to answer word questions. The calculations are simple, it's the understanding and putting it into context sometimes which is the tricky bit. Okay.